Lycian, who mentions no town in Lycia called Eudocia, says that the Sanctimus called a town in Lycia Eudocias and one in Pamphylia Eudocias, but that other sources speak of the Pamphylian town also as Eudocias. He sees in the presence in the Sanctimus both of a Lycian Telmessus and a Lycian Eudocias and also of a Pamphylian Termsus and a Pamphylian Eudoxias or Eudocias, proof that they were all distinct cities. It is curious then that, although, when speaking of Telmessus, he says that it was the Pamphylian Termsus and the Pamphylian Eudocias that for long had the same bishop, when he speaks of the Lycian Eudocias, he attributes to that see the same bishops that he attributes elsewhere to the Pamphylian Eudocias, calling the two most ancient one either bishops of Telmessus and Eudocias, when speaking of Lycia, or bishops of Termsus and Eudocias, when speaking of Pamphylia. The bishops that he mentions for both towns that he calls Eudocias are Timotheus, at the 431 Council of Ephesus, Zenodotus, at the 451 Council of Ephesus, and Photius or Photinus, at the 787 Second Council of Nicaea. The more recent study by Gams makes no mention of any bishopric in Lycia called either Eudocias or Eudocia, but mentions both the Lycian Telmessus and the Pamphylian Termsus and Eudocias. The Annuario Pontificio speaks of a no longer residential, and therefore now titular, episcopal see in the Roman province of Lycia as called Eudocia. It was a suffragan of Myra, the metropolitan see and capital of that province.